Boy, man, I understand that Carlos Tavares at Stellantis has said that the American market is so important to them. That's why he's here. But you also have money and investment from the Italian government at home, and you just kind of blew them off. And then you just can't. What a disaster of a company. Just Jesus.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm going to put something right here. I saw from Reuters that the Italian government has, billions of dollars that it's willing to invest into Stellantis for this gigafactory for batteries, right? We saw this already with their prime minister going to China, dealing with the Chinese firms to try and get battery investment, or that investment into Italy, right, to build stuff there. And the Italian government has basically told Stellantis, hey, if we can't get a firm commitment like in the next couple of hours that you're actually going to do this, we're going to move the funds elsewhere. Now, you might be like, so how much is it? What is it? It's very similar to what we do in the U.S., right? The governments will prop up a company or invest government funds into a company if they're doing something that creates jobs or does things that the country wants, right? So, give you an example. Like here, Stellantis got who knows how many billions of dollars for them because they were investing into electric vehicles, right? From the Biden administration. And this is in the last 60 days or whatever. And Italy is trying to do the same thing. Italy's like, we'll take our money, build a battery factory here, right? The problem comes in where you have this one person at the top at Stellantis, Carlos Tavares, right? He doesn't delegate anything. And you got all of these brands, all of these fires, all of these issues, and you don't give anybody the authority or the power to be able to address stuff like this. So much so that, this looks so bad for Stellantis. Because now what the Italian government does is they reach out to the press and they go, yeah, we're going to have to send these billions of dollars or give these billions of dollars to somebody else that wants to build a battery factory here. Like, that is, it's shocking to me. It's just wild mismanagement. That is the I guess easiest way I could put it. Wild mismanagement. I don't know, man. I really don't know, man. With everything else that's going on, I don't see a positive pathway forward in Stellantis' current configuration. I just don't. I don't see it. And what's crazy is nothing's going to happen with the Italian brands because of Exor's investment. They're the largest investor into Stellantis. So Fiat, Maserati, all that stuff, not going anywhere. And then, because they all commingle, they also are major and all on the boards at Ferrari too. So if you think any of that's going anywhere, whether or not the Italian investment gets diverted to another company or another, I literally can't believe. And this is why the Italian government is also playing hardball with Stellantis, where they're saying, hey, we're going to take these zombie brands or these brands that you haven't made vehicles with in the last, 15 years, 20 years, whatever it is, And we're going to give these brands to China so that they can build electric cars here, since you guys want to keep playing games. That is the only thing. Like, the Italian government is definitely like, all right, cool. You don't want to play ball? You ain't got to play ball with us. We'll just not mess with you. We're just not going to give you any money, and we're going to keep it moving. But I leave the question off to you. Is this just another disaster for Stellantis? More money that they could have that's gone. I mean, investing in Archer Aviation and all that, that's a disaster. I don't even understand how this guy is still the CEO. I mean, it's very, maybe, possibly the worst CEO on record. I mean, I get it. It's social media. Everything is much more, you see everything now. I don't see how this guy has still got a job after screwing all of this up, man. I don't get it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.